After you have downloaded the map update or bought the USB drive with the update from the dealer, you are ready to go into the vehicle. Insert the USB drive with the latest map data in the USB interface port of your vehicle. The control display automatically changes to the navigation update mode. Select OK to start the update. The complete update procedure may take between 30 and 90 minutes. You do not need to wait until the update is done. You can still use your vehicle and navigation system during the update process. If you would like to return to the update process, go to your map and press Option on the iDrive controller. Then select Navigation Data Update. Please leave the USB drive inserted until the end of the update process. After the successful installation of the update, the navigation system will automatically reboot. This completes the update procedure. To check the currently installed map version, please go to Navigation, select Settings, Position and Version, and select Version Information. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.